Back to school with latest attack. Ransomware cancels classes in Flagstaff, Arizona. Looks like this was posted today, 1:45 Eastern Standard Time. It looks like, and there's a lot of ransomware attacks that we've been seeing, especially this year, and it seems like it just ramps up. Seems like every week. See, as students return to school across the country over the past 2 weeks, school districts are facing an unprecedented wave of ransom attacks. In the past months, dozens of districts nationwide have been affected by ransomware attacks, in some cases, taking entire school systems networks down in the process. With this particular school in Flagstaff, all classes were canceled today, September 5th, at Flagstaff Unified School District schools in Arizona. After the discovery of ransomware attack against the district servers on Wednesday, September 4th, all internet services were taken down by the school district's information technology team at about 3 p.m. local time on Wednesday. When the ransomware was discovered during that district, officials said was routine maintenance. Basically, they're saying that they were checking for routine maintenance, and while doing so, they found some ransomware on, looks like, at least one of their servers. It says there's no other information at this time as far as, how much the ransom was for or whether or not they're going to pay for it. Hopefully, this isn't another case of, a school or a company that doesn't have proper backups. And we talk about it all the time. Cloud-based backups, local backups, and off-site backups are, just something that we need to get into the habit of. If you're running a business, doesn't matter if it's a small business, medium-sized business, or large business, the practices should all be the same. Hopefully, in this case, they are going to have some good backups. They can go, and if they have to, at the worst, hopefully, all they have to do is restore their computers and go and get their backups from the cloud or a local backup if they have it. If not, they may have to pay the ransom like a lot of these other companies and schools have had to do. I've seen ransoms in the hundreds of thousands of dollars that some of these companies are paying for because they're just forced, they're crippled. They can't do anything. And this article also says more than 70 state and local government agencies have been hit with ransomware so far just this year. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Hopefully they have a follow-up article to that tells us what exactly the outcome is. But again, this is just one of those things. Like I said before, you've got to have backups. We talk to our customers all the time. Back up your information. A lot of people we find have the practice of, I haven't been hit yet, and when you do get hit, for a lot of small businesses, like we've talked about before, it can actually take these businesses out of business. The money that they lose being down, for a week, 2 weeks to clean up these computers from ransomware can absolutely bankrupt some of these smaller companies. So, again, if you have a business, things to think about. 3 backups: cloud-based backup, a local backup on site, and then an off site backup. That's really what every company, small, medium, or large, enterprise companies, doesn't matter. Those three things with backups you should be doing. Obviously, you want to make sure that you have good protection from a firewall, good antivirus, web protection, email protection for G Suite or Office 365 or whatever you happen to be running. Um, yeah, it's. I think this is going to go on for quite some time until a lot of these businesses and whatnot, you know, are just so afraid that they're going to spend the money to protect their data instead of basically playing the game of, like I said, it's never happened to me, and they go with no real antivirus, web protection, no data backup, or they have just a localized backup, or just backing up stuff off of their computers onto an external hard drive, whatnot, and then they get hit, and like I said, this happens time and time again. We see this every week. Articles are coming out. It's just unfortunate. So, I was just going to make a quick video about this. I just read this and thought I would pop on here and give a little bit of information about ransomware. And if you guys have any other questions regarding ransomware, viruses, malware, feel free to reach out to us at Amor IT Solutions.com. You can go to our website. We have a contact form there. You can fill out the contact form. Let us know what issues you're having, or if you send a question, if we can get to it, we'll write back to you. Also, you can check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We are on all three of those social media sites. And yeah, I guess that about does it. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and the bell icon in YouTube if you'd like to be notified of new content that we come out with. If you'd like to hire us, again, you can go over to AmorITSolutions.com and fill out the contact form, or you can call us. Our number is on the website as well. Thanks. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon if you'd like to be notified when we have new content. Also, if you'd like to know more about us, we have several social media pages: Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If you would like to hire us for any network consulting or IT needs, please head over to AmorITSolutions.com, fill out our contact form, and let us know what we can do to help you out. Once again, I'd like to thank everybody for all your support, and we hope to see you in the next video.